Frase versus Jasper. Which AI tool is better for content strategy? If you're a content creator or marketer, you're probably wondering which of these two tools can help you craft better content faster. Today, we'll compare them head to head and give you a detailed breakdown with a special twist at the end. Stick around because I'll share a better alternative you might want to try. Let's dive right in. First off, both Frase and Jasper are incredible AI tools, but their strengths vary depending on your content goals. Frase is primarily known for its research and content optimization capabilities, while Jasper shines in generating written content. But which one is more effective for content strategy? Let's see how each tool performs. The first thing to consider is how these tools approach content creation. Jasper is fantastic for writing copy quickly, whether it's blog posts, emails, or product descriptions. It's highly versatile, and with its templates, you can churn out content fast. However, sometimes the quality can feel a bit robotic if you're not careful. You'll need to tweak it and add your own personal touch to ensure the content feels human and engaging. On the other hand, Phrase's strength lies in research. Frase excels at helping you create SEO-optimized content by generating comprehensive research briefs based on your target keywords. It pulls data from top-ranking pages, so you can write with authority and relevance. This makes Frase an excellent choice for people who prioritize high-quality, well-researched content that ranks on Google. But when it comes to pure content creation, Frase isn't as powerful as Jasper in terms of generating copy on the fly. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Jasper offers a user-friendly interface, but you do need a bit of a learning curve to unlock its full potential. Once you get the hang of it, though, it becomes an absolute powerhouse. Frase, meanwhile, has a more structured layout, which some users love for organizing their workflow, but it can feel a bit more rigid and less intuitive, especially for beginners. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Jasper has two main pricing tiers, and while it's not the cheapest tool out there, you get what you pay for in terms of content generation. Frase, on the other hand, is more affordable for those focused on research and optimization. However, once you start using advanced features on Frase, the cost can add up. So, depending on your specific needs, the pricing model can be a deciding factor. Another aspect to think about is integrations. Jasper integrates seamlessly with a lot of third-party platforms, including Surfer SEO, which gives it an edge if you're looking to combine content creation with SEO. Frase is more focused on being an all-in-one content strategy platform, so while it integrates with some tools, it doesn't have the same level of flexibility when it comes to third-party connections. Now, the most important question, which one should you choose for content strategy? Both Frase and Jasper have their merits, but neither of them is a perfect fit for every use case. Jasper is great for content creation and copywriting, while Frase is the tool you want if you're all about research and SEO optimization. But here's the twist. After trying both of these, I've discovered a better alternative. If you want a content strategy tool that combines both research and content generation seamlessly and at a better price, then check out the link in the description. With the free trial through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. While Frase and Jasper are solid tools, if you want to take your content strategy to the next level, I highly recommend giving this alternative a try.